The wire is not prepared quite yet, but it will be shortly. I'm going to try these again. I don't think they'll work. Let's just use the old standby. Side cuts. Makes a pretty quick work of it. What I'm doing here is basically attaching these ends to the test speaker leads. Need a little bit of that brown has to go here, the hot lead has to go there. Not rocket science, obviously. Pretty simple. So this one we're going to do the brown first, I believe. See how the soldering iron is doing? I don't like the way the soldering iron turned black. That on the tip. I'm not sure what that means. Probably I need to clean the tip off. And a lot of black on there. Yeah, it's coming off. That's looking better. Alright. Need a little solder. I think. Trying to think. That's the rough part. I think I better get some better eyes on. That's the problem with age. They just don't see as good as you used to. I think there's a hole there. I thought there was a hole there. No, there's not. Alright, well, we won't do that then. I think we'll tin both and do that. That might be the better course of action here. There we go. A little tinning goes a long way. Let's see if I can do the same for the wire here. Oh, I'll solder on the soldering. I think it's too hot for one thing. This is kind of hard to judge. It's not bad. Let the soldering iron down a little bit. Now we will. Well, I would. There we go. Take these and crimp these over. to tin this. Instead, I'm going to try to feed it in there and get it like it should be. That's kind of hard thing to try, but that's what I got to do. See, always one little wire has to stick out. I'm not going to bore you with doing all these, just one. So you see what I'm doing. And then I'll finish the rest off camera. No sense in boring everybody to death. That'll be fine, I think. Maybe push this down. Then I can cut off the excess. But the main point is it's on there. See now, this thing is already turning black again. I guess I need to get my sponge wet on the thing, keep it clean. There we go. That's what we want to see, nice and shiny. Alright, that's one done. And it's not really done. I gotta cut those. I guess it wouldn't hurt to leave them on. But main thing is when you screw this on, you want to make sure that nothing is touching. See, that's going to be close, but it's not touching. Let's see if I can get this cut off a little bit. Just like the way that looks. There we go. Man, that's close. Too close, actually. I think it has more to do with one lead being longer than the other. I think we'll put the excess out there. I hope. There we go. There we go. Alright. That appears to be satisfactory. We'll make sure it works, but I think it will. Alright, like I said, I'm going to get these things. That's what I'm doing basically. Each end of the speaker wires, the test leads, test speakers, and then once I get those done, I'll make up some leads for this. One lead will be just RCA plugs to RCA plugs for amplifiers like my little test amplifier that requires a phono plug. And then the other two leads, one will be, and I'm thinking of using these nails, but I've got to test. I know they'll work with certain connectors on the back, but some I don't know if it'll work. But I'll put wires, you know, solder these like to this. Maybe put some heat shrinking on there, but and then they'll stick into the back of the speaker connections where the little clip clips them on, and they'll make good connections that way. I can use just soldered wire leads, you know, I solder the 10 wires up and do the same thing, but they're a little bit flexible and they give a little bit more. This would be a nice solid connection. So I may do that, may not, I don't know. But whatever I do, I will show when I get finished. Thanks for watching.